In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Uber Wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Uber application, then you go to the bottom menu and select over here where it does say account. Then you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. We need to go ahead and select on this option over here that does say wallet. And you will notice that it will now give us our Uber cash balance. And in order to add funds, we need to go ahead and press on this button that does say add funds, or we can go over here to where it says payment methods and press add a payment method. So let's go ahead and press on add funds like so. And you guys can actually make it so it automatically adds funds to your Uber account, or you guys could even use a gift card as well. For this video, I'm going to be doing a one-time purchase like so. And from here, you guys can go ahead and select on how much money you want to add to your Uber wallet. So this is completely up to you. Now, here's the important part. You want to go ahead and select on the proper payment method. So over here, it is going to let you know what payment method you guys could use. But do not worry, guys, because you guys can go ahead and press over here where it does say add payment method. And we have so many different options. So we could literally use directly from our bank account, Venmo, a credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, or any other, sources of funds. So basically select whichever one is most convenient for you. And you want to go ahead and basically log in with that platform. And then after that, it will actually connect your payment method to Uber. And once you have your payment method connected to Uber, then you're able to go ahead and add funds to Uber Wallet by pressing on add funds over here. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.